I wanted to come on here and tell you a quick little story. The other day I was at the grocery store and I met up with this lady that I know, and I was, telling her about the detox teas that I sell and how they're good for you, everything that they can do for you. And, I convinced her to try a sample. So she gave me all her information and her sample went out. Now, after she received her sample and she tried the products, one day I was cooking and my phone kept blowing up and blowing up. This lady, she called me back to back and she texted me. She left a voicemail saying that she needs to get some more tea. She needs this tea. So I reached out to her and I made sure that, she got more tea. And I really wanted to know, like, what was her results with the tea, because this tea, everybody's body is different. If you want to lose 5 pounds in 5 days, you can use this tea. If you need this tea for to improve your mood, you can use this tea. And she told me that with the tea, it just totally relaxed her body. So this lady, she works in a grocery store in the middle of a pandemic, in the middle of everything that's going on. So by her taking this tea, she was able to relax a little bit with her day-to-day things that she has to do. So what I want to do is the same sample that I sent out to her, I want to send the same sample out to you as well. It's a sample you can fill from TLC. It's the raspberry tea. Can you see that? It's the raspberry tea. And you'll get these 2 sachets. So for the first 10 people that reach out to me, I'm going to be sending out the sample to you for free. Now, once I get the 10 people, after that, you can still get the sample for free, but you'll be paying for shipping, $4.95 for shipping. Click the link in that bio and reach out to me, and I'll send you your